Hello, 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 what's all this then? I'm sorry, I watched Peppa Pig and I get silly. Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria and I have Wapples with me today. He's helping. He's sitting close to me, he's helping. I am filming a video that, it's gonna be a little bit off the rails, I think, but we'll try to keep it on topic. And the topic that I'm trying to keep it on is, it's a Dollar Tree haul, and the things in the Dollar Tree haul are important for future videos. So I'm gonna show you guys stuff because I've got a lot planned. Okay, first thing, yeah, another crafting mat because mine has become so covered in hot glue and stuff that won't come off of it. And I would like to have a smooth surface, so we swapped that out. That's something I do every so often though, because Dollar Tree has placemats and I use them as crafting mats, so like, also, I wonder if I put these on if I'll sound louder. Because these are technically connected there, so I think I have a mic on these, but I don't know. Otherwise, I'll just have earphones on. It's fine. It makes me talk loud enough to hear myself, so. This isn't for a video. This is just because it's springtime and Luna likes butterflies and fans. That makes a good breeze, like that. It's very cute, I like it a lot. Not much to really say about it though, you know? I didn't really sort this before I did my haul, I usually do, so like this is stressful. Anyway, it's not really stressful. I'm sorry, I'm on some like weird energy level today. Like today I'm just very random. Hair bow, this one is I said pink, purple. Purple gingham. I like purple gingham. I like gingham as a fabric. It's very pretty. Very thick scrunchies because my hair is very sensitive because I bleached it so much, and if I put my hair up in scrunchies, they're usually these little skinny ones, and those put a lot of tension on your scalp. So I can't really be doing that no more. It really hurts. Got it. So 2 appearance related stuff, or whatever. I don't know what to call that category. I got sunglasses, but they're dinosaurs, and I'm so thrilled. Like, I saw them and I was like, no way, no way. Because they had the daisy ones, and I was like, dang, the daisy ones are really cute. I will cave for the daisy ones. And then I turned around and I saw this, and I was like, never mind. I'm gonna have to, I can already tell that I'm gonna have to secure the lenses a little better. They're kind of loose and wiggly, and you can make a rattly sound, but that's pretty easy to do. Oh my god, I love this so much. Not gonna lie, I want to remain like this for like the rest of the video, but we'll just do that. They're so cute, oh my god. Okay. Focus. Other like hair and stuff, like accessories, that's the word I wanted, right? Glitter bows because I like to add bows to the end of my pigtails and stuff. Hair like wrap is what they call it. I'm calling it like a headband, I guess. This looks a lot like the headbands I use to hold my hair back when I do face makeup or like face skincare, so. I'm sorry, the whole beginning of this is not very agery, although it's agery in the form that I'm a lifestyle agery, which means I'm always a child, so it's fine. You know, that's how it works. That's clearly how it works, according to Luna's brain. Okay, I am dropping stuff. I can't grow my nails very long right now because I won't stop biting them. It's driving me crazy, but I also want to film videos where I do DIYs and stuff, and this is gonna sound weird, but I've seen a lot of DIY YouTubers that are femme or femme presenting get a lot of shit for having what's considered to be gross nails, and I have gross nails and I'm getting a little paranoid about it. So I got these, they're fake nails, and I'm gonna use these for like wearing when filming videos with my hands and stuff because I don't want to paint my nails every time I want to do a video. I'm lazy. I'm just gonna put these on instead and pretend like my life is put together because I'm allowed to do that because I'm an adult and I can make adult choices that make my life easier, so there. I don't know why I gave that long speech, but it doesn't matter. Okay, these I got, this is a lash glue and liner combo because I've started to wear false lashes. I'm not wearing them right now, obviously. But I've started to wear false lashes and do more like extensive makeup looks, and it's been really challenging for me, but something new, and I really enjoyed like new challenges, so I don't know. I feel like it's going well. Speaking of that, I got more of my normal lash glue because I used it, and then I decided to try something softer because the lashes I have are like cosplay lashes, so I'm trying to like go like a little normal, you know? This is a white eyeshadow stick because I use it to do as primer. You can also use it like on the corners of your eyes. That's what like all the kawaii middle schooler used to do. Like, I don't know, is that weird? Look, when I was in middle and early high school, if you're the kawaii obsessed kid, typically the makeup that you would do would be like the white in the corners of the eyes. Sometimes you'd have like the lower eyeliner and like the little, I don't know, maybe I was weird. Alright, this next one is for filling in my brows. It's a dark brown because currently I'm using black to fill in my brows, and I think sometimes it gets a little too intense, so wasn't sure. And then the last thing in this category, I got Teen Spirit Antiperspirant because one, I like the Nirvana song and I'm a sucker, and two, I need deodorant, so I gotta pause because I'm about to start coughing. Okay, so that category's done. So if that was boring for y'all, we're here. I think you should go timestamp like 7:21 if you want to skip all the, you know, appearance related things. Although if you skip to this point, hi, hello, I'm wearing dinosaur sunglasses on my head. All right, the next category I'm gonna go to, I guess I'm just gonna start showing you guys craft stuff. So, kind of boring. They had elastic. I'm gonna start using this because secret project that I'm doing that I'm not gonna explain right now because I don't want to put the pressure on myself. Sorry, my cat has the zoomies and she threw she ran over the cord to the phone. Why do you have the zoomies, little miss? I'm gonna get you, Schubert. I'm gonna get you. Are you gonna run? Are you gonna run? Her eyes are so big, oh my god. Alright, yes, elastic, it's for a project that I want to work on. I'm not saying it because I don't want to put the pressure on myself. I want to see like how it turns out first before I make a video, you know? Got more baby carriages for the dollhouse. What I do with these, there's two things I do with these. These are also craft material because I don't use them like this, like most of the time. I either deco-dem them or I take off the hood part and I use them as shopping carts, which means a typically like a repaint for them. So got those because I have a store-based toy skit I'm building and I need some shopping carts for it. So let me grab the other one of these. LED tea lights. You guys know why I use these. Usually just for craft stuff for like dollhouse lighting. Again, those are for an upcoming thing. Whiteout, that's for my Agere journal. That's not really that fun, but you know, gotta be realistic here. Acrylic gems. These are for props for toy skits. Wooden craft rings. These are for something that hopefully will be upcoming on OFT if all goes well. This is for my Agere journal. It's an 8-color pen. It has Moana on it. It made me really happy. These are for my possible venture back into resin. Not really sure, but if not, I'll just use them for baking because, you know. But they're cute sets of sprinkles. I thought they were adorable. Oh no. I think that side is done. So this is going to be a craft kind of that I'm doing for the dollhouse. A doll dresser. So it's not gonna like need a lot to turn it into that, you know, it pretty much already is, but I'm gonna make some stuff for it, and depending on what I'm gonna do, I may end up filming a couple videos about like putting away like, you know, tiny things in here, you know, whatever works, right? This is another one of those bauble things. I use these, I decorate these, I fill them with blind boxes sometimes. Currently, I'm making like a bunch of deco den storages because they're technically supposed to be passy stores, and the thing is, I don't know if it would fit like a full-size one, so I don't want to like market them as that, if that makes perfect sense. I don't know. Alright, next. I got an activity tray because sometimes I want to use clay or Play-Doh or like modeling sand or whatever, and I don't want to clean up everything. So this, you know, pretty self-explanatory. Again, another thing for dollhouse crafting. This is pretty self-explanatory, just to put these on my pens and stuff. I also have a video that I'm working on about something. I'm afraid to say things because I'm afraid that it's gonna take me a long time to follow up on them, and it's gonna be annoying for you guys. So I just don't know what to do with that. Some of this is actually just household for me. Upcoming DIY project. Organza bags. These are for my Etsy shop because when I make jewelry orders and stuff, I tend to try to package them really cute, so Etsy shop stuff. This is for my craft booth at my craft markets. I decided to get both for iridescent. I thought it would be pretty cute. I'm going to be building a couple of displays for my craft market booth also, and I might try to film the process. If you guys would be interested, like, tell me, because I'm not sure. This is for my like daily life. Okay, CG probably won't watch this before I do it, so it's fine. These are for him. I'm gonna write like love notes and like compliment. I'm getting flustered. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave like cute notes for CG on like our bathroom mirror or our bedroom, like the back of our bedroom door or whatever. So I got yellow hearts because, you know. I'm sorry, I'm such a dork. I'm getting flustered talking about like doing a romantic gesture for my literal life partner who I live with. I'm a dork. Alright, this is household stuff. This is just cups because I want more options to drink out of for cups instead of the gamer subs cups because I don't always want a waifu. I don't always want a waifu. These are going to be repainted for the dollhouse. This is household stuff. These are drink markers. They're just little silicone fruits. I thought it would be good because sometimes, like, I don't know, sometimes we hang out with our friends and we do little like get-togethers and like parties and stuff, and I thought it would be helpful. This is also household stuff. It's an aromatherapy called Healing. I saw the sun beams in the trees and I was like, oof. And it smells really good too, so. It smells like dusk. That sounded weird, but it does. That's how it does smell, so like, I don't know how to explain it. These, I sounded so mad. These. I'm gonna be redoing my computer area setup so that I can like basically streamline my crafting process and stuff because I do a lot of it over there, so these are gonna go under my monitor riser. Alright, last bag is all Agere stuff. Thank you guys for putting up with my bullshit this long. Wobbles is covered in stuff. So, I got a jump rope. Now, I know that's a weird way to start an entire thing, but I got a jump rope because I want to start doing like fitness stuff, but nobody make the joke. Actually, I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to start doing fitness stuff, but I don't really know, like, I don't really vibe with running. I I kind of enjoy going on walks, but I don't really do a lot of like cardio things. So I thought maybe like, because we have a back patio, so I thought maybe just doing some jump roping throughout the day would be good. Not throughout the day, but like, you know, sitting down and doing like a certain number or whatever, or like jump roping to a song maybe. I hope this is long enough because it is a kid's one, but yeah, so basically it's just, I got that so that hopefully I can introduce other ways, but still age-free ways to keep like exercise, you know what I mean? Yeah. This is the bad part. Alright, guys, I feel weird for saying it, but I'm fiending. I want an alligator so bad. So I got 3 more of those jumbo in my pockets because I'm stupid and $1.25 blind bags are my weakness. I just want the alligator. Why you got the zoomies, little man? I got the white tiger. I already have that one, but it's okay. Please, 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 just give me what I want. I just want the crocodile. Oh, it's a crocodile. Okay, so maybe if I call it what it is, I'll get it. I want a crocodile. I want a crocodile. Please give me a crocodile. Wow. Damn, another white tiger. Maybe I'll make them into some earrings or bracelet jewelry or something, because I don't know. They're cute, but I already have one. If these are all white tigers, I'm going to scream. Oh, thank God, they're all white tigers. I really was like, started getting nervous. Like, yeah, I was like, damn, maybe I'm gonna have to actually scream. Oh my God. I don't care that I didn't get the crocodile. Look at this face. His little cheeks are so round. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. I have 2 of the glam packs to do as well. Da, da, da. Ooh. Nice. Okay, this is one I think I got before with the claw clip and the 2 little rings. Just another one of those. Well, to be fair, that gives me ring bases, and the claw clips are good for upcycling by adding like different decorations and stuff to them, so pretty good. And that is that. Sorry, I know this was super long, but I did my best to get through it as fast as possible, but thank you, lovely, so much for watching and for staying through the whole thing. If you like this video, please like it or leave a comment or share or, you know, any of that good stuff, really. And if you like what I do on the channel, please subscribe. Right now I'm trying to get up to 3,000 subscribers, but honestly, each and every single one of you is like supreme value to our community. Like, you guys are the best. You guys are very positive, you're very uplifting, you're very polite and kind to each other. Like, it's just, I'm very happy with the community we have. So if you seek to support others and be positive and happy, then join us. We will welcome you into the OFT fam, to our lovelies, with open arms. So that is that. I don't really have anything to announce or anything to promote. I'm sure editing Luna can jump in here if there is something that I need to edit, like to say or promote or whatever, so I'll leave that to them. But thank you, lovely, so much for watching, and please remember to stay awesome and remember to love yourself. And today, my self-care tip is that if you're feeling tired and you need a boost of energy but you don't want to have a sugar crash, I personally think the best thing to do is to either have like tea or the V8 energy drinks, because I don't really crash from those, but they're good and they have like vegetables and stuff. I don't know, just those like small little changes to, like, you know, add into your day. So thank you, lovely, so much for watching, and like I said, stay awesome, remember to love yourself, and I will see you in the next video, post, or whatever comes next. So bye, lovelies.